refund the buyer. I'm like, oh shit.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the breaks today with Sports Cards Fanatics. Up first, we have our 2020 Absolute Football Fat Packs one box break number 94. We do have a few teams available. As we show our owners list, I will let you know what those teams are. Our owners list for our one box number 94. So as you can see there, we have the Green Bay Packers available for 15. Texans are available for 7. Patriots are available for 7. The Eagles are available for 15. So we got 4 teams available. If anybody wants all 4 teams, we'll do all 4 for, we'll say, $30. If anybody wants all 4, we'll do all 4 for 30.
Eagles.
So we got the Packers for 15, Texans for 7,
No, the guy.
Eagles for 15, and the Patriots for 7. Or if anybody wants to buy all 4, you get the Patriots and the Texans for free. Willis C, are you in this break, Willis? Are you in this break, or are you in any of the other breaks from today? I just needed to know for shipping reasons. If you're in the breaks today, then I can just ship the Eagles with your other teams, and we won't have to worry about shipping. So Willis C, I don't see your name on this break. Are you in this break on a different name, or are you in the other breaks? Oh, okay. Okay, I see you. Alright then, yeah. You can have the Eagles for 15. Willis, since you're already in this break, I would ask that you send the PayPal friends and family, since I don't need you to print out a label since you're already in the break. I will write Scott C down for the Dallas Cowboys. Or I'm sorry, the Eagles, I mean. So Scott, while you send over that 15, I will... Oh, I'm sorry, Tall. Yeah, he didn't pay, so when teams go unpaid, we gotta sell them in the chat. We usually sell them for at or lower from what they went for on eBay. So Scott, just let me know when you send that over so I can double check it. That'll also leave the Green Bay Packers, the Texans, and the Patriots. We'll do 20 for the rest of those teams, 20 for the rest of the 3 teams, 15 for the Packers, 7 for the Texans, 7 for the Patriots, or we'll just do 20 for all 3. Save about $10 still by buying the 3 remaining. Yeah, sorry, buddy. I mean, I'd rather have someone that's going to pay win it for less than have someone bid more and then not pay, obviously. So I wish you would have won it, man. Just get tired. It happens every break. No matter what happens, even if we block them after they don't pay, we still get people that don't pay, so. When will break 28 start? What's break 28? You'll have to refresh me what break 28 is. Plates and patches? Is that plates and patches? If that's plates and patches breaks at plates and patches breaks in an hour, 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. So plates and patches will break in 1 hour. Yeah, so when people bid and don't pay, it happens all the time. That's why we always try to sell teams before every single break, because people like to bid, but then when they win, they just disappear for some reason. So I don't know why they bid. I don't know why people bid on things that they're not going to pay for them. I never understand that. I don't get it. All right, thank you, Willis. Or is the payment going to come through as Willis or Scott? Just want to double check it. So an absolute, the guy that has Dallas, he bought the Eagles. Scott S. Okay. So he has the Cowboys. Scott C. Scott C. Yes. He bought the Eagles.
You good, man?
Okay. All right, we're good to go. Yeah, Colin. What's up, Jason? We got 3 teams available, but I'm about to start the break, so they're really not that available anymore. But if you want them, you're going to have to let me know really quick. It's the Packers for 15, Texans for 7, Patriots for 7, or all 3 for 20. No, that's cool, man. We give people second chances if they message us and explain what happened, but normally we just block them right away because we don't want the same repeat stuff to happen. So we got Packers, Texans, Patriots available for 20 if anybody wants all 3. But obviously once I show some of the cards, those won't be for sale anymore unless anybody wants them in the next few seconds. Carson Wentz green, Christian McCaffrey green. For the Bengals, we got a green rookie, T. Higgins. No problem, man. Red Zone, Josh Jacobs insert. Fantasy Flashbacks, Brett Favre. Jeremy Chin rookie, there's a Camp Makers for the Rams. Let's see if I can fix that glare for you guys. I've been trying to move my lights around so that the glare doesn't hit them as much. Jake Fromm rookie. Got a couple green rookies here, or a couple green and then a rookie. Julio Jones, still in the midst of trade talks. Dwayne Haskins. James Prochet, green rookie for the Ravens. We got a Justin Jefferson introductions insert rookie. Jason, are you in the hockey break later too, man? Shaquille Barrett, Unsung Heroes. KJ Hamler, Denzel Mims. Noah IG, J.K. Dobbins. Greens of Sam Darnold and Derrick Henry. And our rookie is going to be for the Steelers, Anthony McFarland Jr. Fantasy Flashbacks, Warren Moon insert. Stargazing, Dalvin Cook. There's a Jalen Hurts. Nice one there for the Eagles. Philadelphia Eagles are going out too. Scott C just picked them up. Or Willis. Whatever his name wants to be, he picked them up and he's got a Jalen Hurts for that. Congrats, Scott. Thank you for that. Just got outbid on your Leafs. Oh man, Jonathan Taylor, Jacob Eason. I hate getting outbid on my team. Jerry Jeudy, CeeDee Lamb. We have a red here. Baker Mayfield red. Usually I save those, but for some reason I wanted to show it this time. I don't know why. Baker Mayfield red parallel. It's going to the Browns. That's going to be numbered to 199. Baker Mayfield red. It's going to John M. Baker Mayfield, 140 of 199. Doesn't want to show. 140 of 199. Green of Joey Bosa and Kirk Cousins. Josh Uche rookie. Unsung Heroes Curtis Samuel. DJ Chark red zone insert. Visca Chenault Jr. Zach Moss. Hey, there we go. Joe Burrow. So we got the Burrow and the Hurts. See if we find the Tua and the Herbert. So after this break, we are going to jump right into the hobby score football break. Chase Claypool, Derek Brown, Quintez Cephas. We've got greens of Derek Carr and Deebo Samuel. Our green rookie is going to the Patriots. Dalton Keene. Saquon Barkley, stargazing. Introductions, insert rookie, Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. Chase Young. Jalen Reagor. Jordan Love. There's a nice one for the Packers. Packers were not picked up. Packers were not picked up in this break. Julio Jones, Dwayne Haskins. There's a David Johnson green. There's a Darren Waller green. For the Colts, we have a green Desmond Patman. We have a stargazing Josh Allen. Introduction insert rookie Jerry Jeudy. Ben DiNucci. There's a Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. That's a cool one. Reed W. Jeff Okudah. Aaron Donald. We have greens of Frank Clark, Khalil Mack, and then for the Raiders we have a Damon Arnett, green rookie Damon Arnett. Unsung Heroes Adarius Smith, Red Zone Dalvin Cook, Gabriel Davis for the Bills. Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Devin Duvernay, James Morgan. We have greens of Teddy Bridgewater and Deshaun Watson. And then for the Atlanta Falcons, we have a Marlon Davidson green rookie. Marlon Davidson. Stargazing, Odell Beckham Jr. insert. Introductions insert rookie Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. T. Higgins. We have Steven Montez. Teddy Bridgewater. We have greens of Terry McLaurin and Deshaun Jackson. For the Browns, we have a Grant Delpit, green rookie. Grant Delpit. Red Zone, Lamar Jackson. Fantasy Flashback, Terrell Davis. Michael Hasty. Joshua Kelly. Grant Delpit. Hey, there we go. There's a Tua. I was wondering if we're going to find him or Herbert. Still haven't seen Herbert, though, yet. We got the Tua. Miami's going out to Felipe G. Felipe G. Javon Kinlaw. Jordan Peterson. Upside downs again. Greens of Ryan Tannehill and Von Miller. Hey, here we go. Here's some nice ones coming up here from Miami. First, we've got a green rookie, Tua Tagovailoa. Miami is Felipe G. So we got the base rookie. Here's the green rookie. And then, following that up, right behind it, is a Tua Tagovailoa introductions insert rookie. So 3 back-to-back-to-back Tuas. That's nice. Felipe G. Having a really nice break with Miami. 3 Tuas. That's pretty cool. Unsung Heroes, Julian Edelman insert. DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Henry Ruggs III. Tyler Johnson. Jalen Johnson. There's a Brandon Ayuk. Donovan Peoples-Jones for the Browns. Thaddeus Moss. Austin Eckler. Adam Thielen. Adam Thielen red or green. Le'Veon Bell green. Javon Kinlaw green rookie for the 49ers. Phil, you must be Felipe, yeah? Fancy flashback, Dan Marino. Stargazing, Michael Thomas. Van Jefferson rookie for the Rams. Jeff Gladney, Brian Edwards. Antonio Ganey Golden. Jared Pinkney. We have Jared Goff. We have greens for Jared. Oh, back-to-back Goffs. That's cool, man. Well, congrats on the 3 Tuas back-to-back-to-back. That's pretty nice. Michael Perrin or Perrin, however you say it. Michael Perrin for the Jets. We have Unsung Heroes, Tre'Davious White, Red Zone, Alvin Kamara, Darrington Evans, Antonio Gibson. Hey, there's a Herbert. We got Mooney. So we got a Herbert right at the end. For the Chargers, we're going to go ahead and start the recap with this one right here. For those Los Angeles Chargers, we have a Justin Herbert, Chris D. Here you go, Chris D. There's your Justin Herbert. And then for Felipe, we've got 3 Tuas here. We've got the introductions insert rookie Tua. We've got the green rookie, green Tua. And then we have the base Tua. So 3 Tuas there for Felipe. We got the Joe Burrow base rookie for the Bengals and Tyler K. We got the red parallel to 199 of Baker Mayfield. That's going to the Browns, John M. And then we had a Jalen Hurts base rookie for the Eagles. That's going out to Scott C. He picked him up before the break. So special thanks to Scott picking up the Eagles. Got a couple cards there for you. Congrats to Felipe for getting the Dolphins hits on that break. Thank you to everybody else that was in the break and then everybody else that watched. We will be coming right back to you. As soon as I get this video uploaded, we're going to come right back and do the score break. So until then, guys, if I don't talk to you, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. We'll be right back.